Hello everyone. This is my first video about resin art. So let's start. First of all, for resin art you have to keep the surface level. You can use spirit level for it. Next you have to take a disposable cup and place it on the weighing machine, measuring scale using kitchen. Now turn the machine on and pour resin parte into cup. Let me tell you here that the resin basically consists of two parts, part A and part B. Both of these are in 2:1. So while adding resin, when it reaches 20 grams, stop further pouring. Then add part B, which is also called hardener. Hardener will be added in half ratio of resin, i.e. 10 grams, so now this mixture will be 30 grams, so now mix it slowly. Continue smooth stirring resin up to 3 minutes. Adding golden flakes in resin and mix well. Take alphabets mold and clean it before use. Next step is pouring resin into desired alphabet, pour a small amount of resin. Next step is adding dried rose in it. After adding dried rose again add resin on it. But don't fill alphabets mold completely. Because after it's curing if edges are rough you can put one more layer to make it smooth. Here are the others alphabets. Same process will be done. Here I have a hollow bezel mold. Pour a small amount of resin and add dried rose in it. After this next and the final step is to make your resin bubble free. I will use heat gun to make it bubble free, use carefully. Final look is here. Anything can be added up to your choice. Keep it for 24 hours. So let's do demolding of alphabets. Wow, here are the amazing alphabets. I used different colors, mica powders and also dried flowers that look awesome. Keychains are ready. Looks amazing. Here I have to go. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video please.